you already know why I'm here and I already know why you clicked. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content. So today I'm going to be bringing you Burberry Touch. Now, before we get into things, I know I'm going to get crucified for this, but you have to remember, this is my opinion and this is my experience with the fragrance. So this was released, I believe, in 2000. The top notes are going to be violet leaf, mandarin orange, and artemisia, I believe. The middle notes are going to be nutmeg, white pepper, and cedar. The bottom notes are going to be tonka bean, vetiver, and white musk. To me, this is a powdery floral, and it's not too floral. Like, you don't pick up on, a lot of the violet leaf that's in here. Not much at all. You do get the white musk. I think that is the predominant smell into here. And if I didn't know better, I would say that there was iris in here too, just because of that pottery feel. Now, this reminds me of a powder that was worn back in the day, like something my grandmother had. And I'm not saying that in a bad way to where it's like it's an old lady scent, but it's more so just an old school barbershop type smell or old school pottery fresh smell. Now, I do have to say that my old lady, she loves this thing. Oh my God. But now she references to cherry blossom, which is some type of body wash that she uses. So I'm not saying that this fragrance is feminine or that it's unisex, but if I smelt this on a woman, I wouldn't say you smell like a man. And if I smelt this on a man, I would just say he's pleasant. To me, this is a perfect work scent. No one's going to be offended by this. It doesn't fill up a room. It's not going to choke anyone out. Now, in the summertime, I would say watch the sprays on this just because it will get cloying. It is a bit sweet, I would say. It would be a bit much with the summer heat, especially the Arizona sun. The longevity on this thing is great. I mean, this lasts me maybe 8 to 12 hours. It projects within an arm length, but it's not overpowering. So no one's gonna, smell you from an arm distance. But what they're gonna do is they're gonna smell something pleasant. They're gonna smell something clean, and that's how refer to this as a safe office scent. Like, if you don't want to offend anyone and you don't want to go in there and smell a scent all day on your skin, this would be the go-to. Now, a lot of people would say this is like one of the best fragrances ever by Burberry, right? Or this is probably one of the best work scents. For me, I'm on the fence with this thing. I went into a local mom and pop store that was selling colognes, smelt it, and I thought it smelled good. So I bought it, put it on my skin, and it just doesn't do it for me. I think it is that powdery smell. But to sum this up, this is going to be smooth, plain, and inoffensive. But yet you're going to get compliments on it too just because it smells good. I really don't get the vetiver either. Tonka, okay, I can get because I think that's the sweetness that I get from this is that heavy sweetness that'll just annoy you in the summertime. White pepper, a little bit, not quite. I don't get the mandarin orange whatsoever into this. But yeah, to go ahead and sum this up, I would say this is a spring scent. You can wear this in the summer if you watch the sprays. I would definitely wear this to the office, and women are going to give you compliments on this. I think this is a dumb reach. I think you can just pull this out at any given time, wear it, and impress people. It's just for me, unfortunately, I like to kind of be daring. I like my scents to say something. I like them to have personality, and I just don't think this fits that category. Now, this is going to be one, like I said, where I don't know what I'm going to wear to the office. I'm going to grab this and wear it. Simple as that. With that being said, what do you think about Burberry Touch? Was it one of your favorites back in the day? Is it still one of your favorites? Why is it your favorite? Have a good one, everyone.